Back on the channel, bratans. This countdown right now for Bitcoin and for altcoins. We see right now Bitcoin is in a consolidation, and what is very important to understand what is happening right now in the market in the next days, we have to watch the total crypto market cap, and it's getting very interesting because we are right now in this symmetrical triangle. You see a big symmetrical triangle, but we have this support line, this yellow support line, which we broke to the upside, but you see it's getting tighter and tighter, and right now or in the next days we will have a decision, because in case we are breaking the symmetrical triangle to the upside, I'm expecting at least the total crypto market cap to go at least to $1.2 trillion, so 6% at least, which would mean in conclusion, if we see $1.2 trillion market cap of Bitcoin, I'm expecting of the total crypto market cap, I'm expecting Bitcoin to run at least to 35k, so at least 14% long opportunity, right? Also, I'm expecting altcoins heavily to outperform Bitcoin. For example, altcoins like Aave. I show you also in a second my position, or I show you all right now my position. You see here we are right now on the edge of breaking here the symmetrical triangle to the upside. I mean, I tell you, the Aave long entry since $59, and right now it's still an amazing long opportunity if you set your stop loss below 37, as I showed you here, because the technical price target, if we're breaking out, is $160, and it all depends obviously on Bitcoin. If Aave further runs to the upside, I show you here my Bitcoin, my Aave position. It's right now $4,700 in profit, 30% in profit. As I told you, my price target is around $160, but if Bitcoin getting rejected, I'm expecting Aave to go to $59 or even breaking to $51 back. So be careful. Let's go quickly back to the total crypto market cap, because this is the positive scenario or the optimistic one. So in case we are breaking here this resist line to the upside, I'm expecting at least $1.25 trillion market cap. But in case we are getting rejected, as it seems right here right now, because we have formed a double top when we got rejected, in case we see right now breaking down to the support line $1.1 trillion, so to this yellow line, and we will not hold this line, I'm expecting a massive dump of the total crypto market cap to $1 trillion. And to imagine where we will stand, or where will be the Bitcoin price if the total crypto market going down to $1 trillion, we can just watch where we've been at the 14th June when we had the total crypto market cap of around $1 trillion. So let's go quickly on Bitcoin back and watch what at the 14th June we were here in this massive support line between the weekly 200 moving average and between the monthly 100 moving average. So we've been between let's say between 24,800 and between 25,500, right? So what I expecting, in case we are breaking the yellow support line total crypto market cap, we could see easily Bitcoin breaking down the daily, monthly and the weekly support line to our big support zone of the weekly and monthly 100 moving average. So we could see a drop down of 18% easily. And why we could see it? To liquidate all the long positions, because we have a lot of long positions. But in the big picture, it would be very bullish, because we would form here a double bottom, and then we would see Bitcoin still running to 35k. This is what I still expecting. So this would this could be a really logical move from the market makers to liquidate all the longs before we will see massive pump to 35k. So just be careful and watch out the total crypto market cap, because the total crypto market cap is also how we identified the bottom right now. So it will really show us clearly what will happen next. I don't like really here this double bottom, double top. You see it if we are zooming in on the 4 hourly, we see it even better. You see it here, it's a double top. I don't like it because it could mean that we will see Bitcoin breaking to the yellow support line even further down, and then we are expecting Bitcoin easily to go to 24,800. So just watch out for this. So in case you are in a long position of Bitcoin, it's absolutely not a problem, but I would set my stop loss below 24,800, or even below no, wait a minute, this was wrong, below this support line of, wait a minute, I go back to the below the support line of the weekly and monthly moving average, so below 25k, so even maybe at 27,600, so below the last wicks on the 14th June, if we're breaking to $1 trillion. Very clear in my opinion. Let us quickly go back on Ethereum. and watch what is happening with Ethereum, because I don't like that Ethereum broke down below our extreme volume zone right now. It's still we still have 15 hours to go until this candle close, and maybe it's only liquidation week, but in case we are breaking further down, then we can expect also Ethereum to go back to the levels of $1,630. So in case you are stay in your long position, in case you have swing trade, just set your stop loss below the last week, so below $1,620, not a financial advice. Or if you're a day trader, obviously if we are closing clearly below the extreme volume, you could short down to the level of 1,870, so 3.1%. It depends on your technique, how you trade the market. So in case we are breaking further to the upside, so in case Bitcoin breaking further to the upside, as I told you, I'm expecting to run Aave breaking above our symmetrical triangle, above our resist line, to run at least to $100. It's a big psychology border, so 23%. And after we're breaking $100, expecting Aave to run even to $160, so 92%. Still amazing long opportunity. In case you are going into a swing trade, as I'm right now in Aave, just set your stop loss below $37, because obviously here we have the 13th June. Again, we could see Aave breaking down below $47 in case Bitcoin breaking further to the downside. I will even add to my Aave position in case we are breaking to $47 back. Just watch out. If I close the position here on $80, I will tell you in our Telegram group, as always. Just watch out for this. In case you want to long also Aave, you just can use the link down below, bratans. For Bybit, $1,000 for free you get, and you can use this $1,000 for a long of or short of Aave or LDO or Ethereum or Bitcoin, how you want. What is very important to consider right now is also the funding rates. They're still quite positive. I mean, they're going down. You see here minus 0.036%. So we won't see really negative funding rates because they still are too much positive right now. They're going down, but we want to see really negative funding rates in order to be confident that we will see a bounce to the upside. So right now, very important, two things to watch. First, the funding rate. Second, the total crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap is even more important, because if we're breaking above our resistance line to the upside, it means, yes, we will see $1.2 trillion total crypto market cap. It means we will see Bitcoin running to 35K at least, and altcoins we will see even outperform. And now you say, why altcoins even outperform? Because it's very clear if we are watching here the Bitcoin dominance chart, we are getting here rejected at this zone. You see it very clear. We got rejected. We formed even here a bear flag right now. So in case Bitcoin breaking further to the upside, altcoins will even outperform Bitcoin. It's very clear. We have a bear flag right now, and we will see Bitcoin dominance chart breaking down to 50%, which is a big psychology border. So I'm expecting here Bitcoin still to pump in case we Bitcoin pumping, but altcoins are expecting to outperform clearly, because the Bitcoin dominance chart showing us this it's very obvious. So, brothers, if you have any questions, write me down below. If I will close my position, I will write you in my Telegram group. But right now, I don't expect that I will close my position. Let's see. It's still right now $5,400 in profits. I have to think about, because obviously I can go into an even better entry position if Bitcoin breaking down. Are we expecting then obviously breaking down also to $50? Let's see. Maybe I still let the swing trade open. I don't know right now, but right now it's still in profits. I'm very happy, and you are also in profits, because I told you since months about this entry position of Aave. But we have still amazing right now Aave long, still entry position if we're watching long term, and LDO is also still an amazing long entry position in my opinion for swing trade also. I spoke yesterday about it. If you want, you can watch yesterday's video. If you have any questions, write them down below. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.